Good morning, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today we're going to talk about where rates are this morning. What economic news came out today, and there was some pretty bad news, and the MBS market spiked over 30 points this morning, and they're reprieving now. So don't go away, we're going to talk about rates and a little more next. Well, this morning the inflation numbers came out that the Federal Reserve watches, and it's the PCE, and they were pretty hot. But it underrepresents inflation, but that's what we're going to talk about today, as well as forbearances and anything else that happens throughout the day. I'll discuss in my later video around 5 o'clock this evening. But let's get on to where mortgage rates are today. You see an uptick in rates. Okay, so that's right in this range here. You can see right in this area here, we post rates from the 30-year fixed, 15-year fixed, FHA, jumbo, and 5-year ARMs. Why we don't post VA are almost exactly the same as where they are with FHA. So this is the area we want to focus in on. You can see across here, these are just an FYI, these are not my rates. These are the national averages. So when you start seeing rates, I have people coming back with the national average is 3.22, and they're like, Dan, I'm getting 2.5. Really hard to believe, guys. You might be paying a ton of fees. If you're in the process right now of getting a mortgage, what I need you to do is go to my website, and over here under resources, there's an upload your loan estimate tab. Let me review your loan estimate. Make sure you guys are getting a good deal, or can we beat it somehow? That's why I am hopefully your mortgage advisor. So let's get on to where rates are. We see an uptick in rates. They're up. The 30-year fix is up 4 basis points. That's represented right here in the 0.04, and it's a plus number. 15 years fixed is the same thing, up 4 basis points. FHA up 2, jumbo up 0.01, and the 5-year ARM is up 12 basis points, which is representative of 0.12. Here's where the market is right now. We saw a crash. You can see right through here. This is the MBS market. This is why people follow me every day, to see what the pattern is for mortgage-backed securities, which is the biggest component of mortgage rates. And if you don't know much about the MBS market, please stay tuned to my evening videos, because I explain this in detail and how this affects your mortgage rates. But you can see we opened up right here. Okay, when this number goes down, or when this chart goes down, that means rates are going up. When this number goes down, rates are going up. There's an inverse correlation between the two. So we opened up the market this morning. Look at this. We opened up way bad. We decreased even more, and then we rallied through the day. And it's a nice green candlesticks right here. They're big ones. That means there's a lot of people buying in the market. You can see right here, we opened up the market down 30 basis points. And we're rallying up and up and up. So that's what's going on right now. In there, what affected the market? Well, the core, the PCE, this is what the Federal Reserve monitors in detail. Year over year, it's saying it's up 3.6%. I find it hard to believe inflation, or this gauge of inflation, is only up 3.6%. Last month, it was up 3.6. Consensus was it would be in 3.7. We came in at 3.6. Okay, so that's year over year. Let's see how the month went. Well, it's kind of in line with expectations. Last month, we saw a 0.3 increase. The consensus was 0.2, and we were up 0.2. Personal consumption expenditures. Right here, this is the core. This is the personal consumption. My apologies. This is what the Fed monitors. Let's see what happens year over year. 4.4. Last month was 4.2. The consensus was 4.7. So we were a little bit shy, or a little bit cooler than what was expected. The personal consumption month over month is right in line with expectations. Last month it was up 0.3. Consensus was 0.3, and the actual 0.3. What is this? This is where the Federal Reserve focus their attention on inflation. This is what they look at is the PCE. I a lot of times look at the PCE, the CPI, and a whole bunch of other things. If this is confusing, don't worry. That's why I need you to do me a huge favor. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like my content. And don't forget to subscribe, so every time I post a video, you get an alert. How do you find out more about me and my team? Or if you want to upload that loan estimate, what do you need to do? Well, go to my channel or my website, therateupdate.com. Just scroll over here, and under resources, you're going to upload your loan estimate. If you want to consult with us, there's 2 ways to get it. is call us at 844-775-5626. Make sure you call that number. I have people that are calling this number or close to this number, and they're getting Loan Depot. There was a gentleman yesterday named Steve Ross. He posted on my site saying, Dan, this has been a complete debacle. I reached out to him personally. He came back and said, Dan, my apologies. It was Loan Depot, not your company. I apologize, and I withdrew my post. So if you're having any problems with us, guys, please email me at dfrio@preferredrate.com. If you want to start your mortgage application, just click here. We have a state-of-the-art application system. Or if you're like, hey, Dan, I can't talk today, but I'd like to schedule a meeting, just click here. You'll go to schedule meeting. Let us know the day and time that you would like us to reach out to you. So that is it for today, guys. I'll be back around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock today, giving you in-depth numbers on the CPI, the PPI, and all this other stuff. So don't go away. We'll be back later this afternoon. Thank you so much. God bless, and I'll see you soon.